Go to new file and select the model. Go to file folder, type your name and select the extrude for draw the rectangular plane. After select the XY plane, sketch plane, go to rectangular and draw the rectangular and double click. Select the dimension, double click for rectangle equal dimension. Proceed. Then finish, extrude 50 and okay. Then extrude top surface and select the circle, finish and double click through the plane. So, so note the first experiment rectangle plane with the hole and again select the top surface, go to extrude and select the top surface and draw the circle. And finish the sketch. Now go to again extrude. Okay, this is okay. There is enough. This is a first experiment rectangle plate with the hole and select the top view and front view and side view. Um, Top view, side view, front view for the first experiment and static wireframe hidden edges. Wireframe hidden edges. So this is the first experiment extrude. We are we have used sketch command and rectangular and circle. After that extrude 1, extrude 2, extrude 3. Okay, this is the first experiment. Then go to new. It is directly converted into manufacturing. Directly converted into manufacturing. Go to new for milling or milling purpose. General setup manufacturing. Go to manufacturing, and that model converted into changed into imported into manufacturing file. So that is model, change it into manufacturing file. You go to select the tools, milling or chamber mill for operation, CNC operation. For ball mill, any one of the tool selected for milling operation. This is the first experiment. This is the first experiment. Then go to save for experiment. Okay, that model is saved in your folder. Okay, then go to new model 5. Again come to drawing menu, go to revolve command, select the XY plane. This is experiment 3 and select the continuous profile line. Draw the step bar. escape and finish. So now select the axis. Here please carefully select the axis whenever it have infrared vector or some other x z axis, x c axis y, but we need to select the axis vector and select the end point because it is rotated up to 360. So end point, no need to select the point any other, no need to select any other point. You select the end point and select the axis. You can get the revolve command. You can get the revolve command. You can get the circular plate, circular pot object, circular pot. Now I go to again, I go to select the revolve. Then I draw the circle for a hidden pot component and finish sketch. Okay, so now the circular plate, this is the original component. But inside the hidden pot is hidden. Pot is hidden. The pot is hidden. I want to see the hidden pot. Go to view. Before select the view, I select the revolve and go to view and select the edit object display and select the edit transparency for seeing hidden object. This is a second experiment revolve command. I mean rotating component. Go to front view and side view and static wireframe. Wireframe hidden edges, dim edges, shaded. Go to again after create the model. It may be imported into um, manufacturing file. Go to manufacturing and select the turning before the milling. Now turning for operation, machining operation. So your model imported into a manufacturing file. Okay, these are the extrude operation and revolve operation for the using NX software.